Hey, what is guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to Sasgo YouTube channel. In this video I'm back with another email marketing tool which you can right now get it with the lifetime deal on the app Sumo starting from the just $29, and it has all the features you need for any email marketing things you want to do. Like you can manage your subscribers, there's the transactional emails you can create and automate, there's the autoresponders, you can create the landing pages, you can create the pop-up and forms, you can do the surveys, and there's the detailed report section available for all the things you wanna do with this email marketing tool. So this email marketing tool name is the Engine Mailer, and right now I'm really surprised with such affordable pricing they are offering such good features. So in this video I'm going to give you detailed overview on this platform, its features, give you a little bit demo how you can use its features, but I'm not show you how you can craft your first email, first subscribers, all those things. This is just the introductory overview video on its feature. So if I go to the plans and features, you can check it out. Lifetime access to the Engine Mailer, all the future paid plans updates. Okay, so means you have to just pay the one-time payment and you will get the lifetime updates and the access for this platform. Then it has the integration available, you can get access for the multiple users. Okay, then there's the things that you need to load that for the credits, like how many subscribers you can add or how many emails you can send per month, because there's always the limit on the lifetime deal. You are not going to get the unlimited until you have paid the really expensive price here, but because we are paying just the around $29 starting price, the limits is going to be there. And in the tier 1 plan for the $29 you are going to pay for the 12,000 emails per month, means every month you can send up to the 12,000 emails, and this is actually pretty good as for the individual, but there's no extra limit on the subscribers, pop-up forms, landing page or emails or the templates you can craft. The only limit you will get it for the emails you can send it out. So actually this is the really transparent plan I have seen for the Engine email here. And if you want more credits for the sending emails per month, you can get to access their other tier plans. Like in the tier 2 plan the pricing is the $79, but you can send the emails up to the 20,000 emails per month. Okay, and I think a little bit this is kind of the cheating, because here in the $29 we can send around the 50% of the emails. So if we combine or multiply the 29 into 2, it will be around the $59 or $58, but here they are charging the $79, so the pricing is not that kind of the genuine, I must say here. But in the tier 3 plan this pricing also include a lot more, because here now you can send out the 75,000 emails per month. So this pricing makes sense. There's also the tier 4, tier 5 available, and if you want to get their 1 million emails sending out per month, you have to pay just the $600 lifetime pricing here, and you will can send out the around 1 million emails per month. And actually this is pretty affordable here. So now let me give you its dashboard demo and how its user interface and features look like. So once you got its lifetime deal, by the way the link will be given in the description, this is how its dashboard gonna look like. Okay, you will get the quick accents, and here are all the on the top of the menu will see all the features available. So first feature we have this subscriber, where we can manage our subscriber, we can assign them categories, we can divide them in the segments, and we can also validate their emails whether the email we got from our subscriber is genuine or not, or otherwise we will get really the bad deliverability rate, and there are some bounce percentage will be really high. Okay, so as for the deliverability I also checked about it. So this is the deliverability you are going to get, and if you don't know, email deliverability is really need to be high, and it makes sense because otherwise your emails is not going to be landed in the inbox. They will land either in the social, promotional, or might be in the spam folder. That's why you need to really good email deliverability percentage or the rate, so you can always land your emails in the inbox section. So to make sure that your email deliverability is really high, email engine or Engine Mailer, sorry, this is the Engine Mailer, I am really confused about the name. So this is the authentication feature they are offering, like authenticate your domain name that you are going to use for sending the emails with the DKIM, SPF and DMRC. Okay, don't worry, there's the detailed tutorial available on their resources section how you can get started with the connecting your domain for the extra and a good email deliverability. Okay, then there's also this shared IP available. Okay, and you can also get dedicated IPs if you want to opt in for. Okay, but I think you have to pay some extra charges for the dedicated IPs, but no worries, shared IPs also work good here because they have also the AI warm-up process available inbuilt in their platform and manage feedback loops for all major ISPs. Okay, so this thing is going to make sure your always reputation high for the domain name. That means your email deliverability is going to be really good and your emails will land up in the inboxes of your subscribers. Okay, so this is the good thing they have also mentioned in their platform, because most of the email marketing tools which offer the lifetime deals don't have such good reputation process or the email deliverability rate. Okay, so now let's back to the our overview here. So this is the subscriber section and this is the campaign section. If I click here on the campaign section, here it will ask you to create your first campaign. So how you can do that, just click here on the add new campaign, enter the campaign name. So I'm going to name it as the demo, sender's name. So this is the sender's name, Vasant. Email address, so I'm going to add my own email address with my domain name, because this will makes the really authenticate that I am sending the emails with my domain and people will trust me. This is really good for the brand trusting. Okay, then subject line. Okay, so I will make the subject line, okay, must be the verified before you can send from this address. See, that's how it is going to ask you to verify your email address. So all you need to just enter here your email that you want to verify for the sending emails, then click on the send verification email. Now this email will be sent to my official this email ID and I have to click that to verify, and once I click that, this will be verified. Okay, so as for now I'm going to skip that process because it can take some time. Okay, so let's add my custom Gmail email here so we can make the things really fast. Okay, now the subject line will be the demo, previous text will be the demo. All these things I'm going to mark as the demos. And okay, what is asking me, the subject. Okay, it has also the subject generator available. Okay, so all you need to just add some words for the subject, select the toner and language and the keyword, and it's going to generate the subject for you. This is the pretty good thing I have found it here. Then you can also do the A/B testing here for the campaigns, whether the which subject line and the which preview text will be the good for you. So you can do that, just enable it and here it will start the doing A/B testing for you. Now let's click on the save and text, and here we will find out the some of the templates available. Okay, I need to do the, let me remove this thing, because if I am not able to verify the email first here, it will not go to the next step. Okay, so I have to refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Okay, and cancel. To go to the next step, I have just sent out the email verification process, and once you got the email verification, you have to click here on the verify email domain name, and within the just next step it will be the verified. Okay, so I think I need to wait until the whole process is happen here. And now you can see my email is just verified. So let's back to the here, close this thing, and now let's click on the save and the next button. Okay, so let's see the things is good or not. Okay, now I am on the next step because my email is verified. So that's how you are going to verify your email. Now you can see what would you like to test, your subject line, your form name, or the content. Okay, because this is the A/B testing because we have enabled it. Okay, so I want to just test the content. So let's go to content, and here you can see there are the right up to the 5 content pieces, and we can do the A/B testing among these 5 content formats. Okay, so as for now I'm going to just go with the A and B, C and C, D and E. I'm going to just exclude it. So let me click on the create, and here we have some templates available that I can choose from to generate my content or write my content. Okay, so these are the email templates. By the way, you can also start from the scratch or the blank here, but as for now, to make the things really fast, I am going to select any of these one. So let me select this one because this looks really good. So before click on the getting started, I can preview this mail how it looks like on both desktop and the mobile. So this is how it looks pretty good, isn't it? Okay, so I like it. Okay, now let me close this thing, and now let's click on the get started. And now I need to just customize the content according to me so I can use it. Okay, means a little bit tweaking the its content, like I can just change the logo here. Okay, that is really important. I can change the text here, so I can do it really easily. Just select the element, and after that you will find out the changing out. So let me do it here. Hey there, how you are doing? Okay, so that's how pretty much simple to customize the content here. Same thing I can do with this sub paragraph, I can do with this image, I can do with this coupon code, text, or the button. And once everything is done, I can just click here on the next button here or save button, and that will be done. Plus there's also the AI content generator available. All I need to just add or give some prompt or the command or the description or the keywords, and done. It will going to generate the content for me for my email. That is pretty much fast, isn't it? Now let's click on the save, and my one template is done for the A/B testing. Same thing I can do with the B format. Pretty much fast it will be. Okay, now let's go to the next button. Okay, so I think I have done with the content. This is my content A and this is the content B. So as for now, let's go with the content A, because the content B will be the same thing, same process you have to do. Now let's click on the next, and here it's asking me to do a little bit more things like the subject line, from name, all those things. And in the next part I can just send out or schedule the mail. Okay, so this is how you are going to create the campaign. The next really important feature, if you are doing the e-commerce or selling out your products here, then this is the transactional emails you can create, because this is the really important if you are doing, and they are the different individual email tools for the transactional emails creating. But here on the Angel Mailer we are getting this feature included, the platform with the same dashboard here. I'm really surprised this thing we are getting here. Plus this is the add new template. If I click here, then it is asking me the template name. Let's go with the demo sender name. I'm going to name it as my name. Okay, don't mention the spelling here. Then it is asking me the domain must be verified before you're sending the your mail. Okay, so I have already verified, though then I don't think why it is asking me. No worries, let me add this demo for the subject line. Let's click on the save and the next, and let's see what are the templates we are going to see here. So I don't know why it is asking me the domain name verification, although I have verified. So let's click on the save, and let's see we can go on the template section or not. Okay, I cannot until I just fulfill this thing. So the field is required. Let me click here, add new domain, and here you can see bounce rate outgoing. If I click here on this domain settings, everything is good. Email is verified. Domain information is unverified, so I need to verify. So I need to add these things so I can just verify all my domain information. Okay, so pretty much the process I am showing you out here. So let's back again. I cannot show you the transactional emails process, but let me try again if I can do it or not. Okay, it is not showing out. So let's go to it. Autoresponders. You can also create the autoresponders, means you can create this setup or the automation. First day this email is going to send out, second day this email is going to send out, and these automations you can not only create based on the days, but you can also create based on the segment, okay, or the categories. Okay, so you can see I am just starting my first day. This is the first day email. It is going to send it out, and email sequences on this day. Let's click on the create, and here you can see the template name, subject line, preview, and here I need to create the content. Okay, same thing I can do with the day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, and based on the different accent sections I can just create this automations, and this is the autoresponder feature that lets you do this automation. Then we have the landing pages. Yes, you can even create the landing pages for you. So as for you can see it here, I have just created demo landing page. I can show it out here, and there are the landing page creator. Start from the blank or scratch, you can do it from here, but what I suggest, go with their templates. This will things make faster, okay, and you can instantly launch your landing page. So as for now, I think this landing page looks really good. So let first what you need to do, just click on the preview, and here you can check it out how this landing page looks like. Isn't it really good here? Okay, and there's also the thank you page available. Okay, so if I click here on the sign up now, it will just redirect me to the email section, and if I edit my email, this is the thank you page it is going to show me. So this is the 2 steps landing page I have seen you. From the template you can do it here. Just click on the get started, and again the same process you have to do, like we have just crafted the email and customized the text images. You can same do with the landing pages. Then this is the form sections where you can just create the forms, online forms or the pop-up forms. So this is the pretty much fast. Just click here, and there's the same again the templates. You can check it out here, like this thing. Okay, this is the template section. Okay, so I'm not going to go with the detailed sections because they are the really cool templates available. Same thing you can do with in the pop-up forms, and same thing you can do it in the surveys. And when everything these things is done and getting started, some of the subscribers and inside, and when you test out your campaign, you are going to check out the reports or analytics in this report section. So if I go to this report section here, you can check it out. For the individual features, there's the individual report section. If I go to the campaigns, it will show me all my reports for the campaign. Same thing goes for the transactional, autoresponders, surveys, landing page, and pop-ups or the online forms. I can get the detail inside all this section. So this is the engine mailer, and I'm pretty surprised with the features and the user interface. It's actually pretty good, easy to use, easy to understand. For the every feature, there's the individual section available, there's the individual reports and analytics part available, and they pretty much really fast for the verification for your emails, whether it's your information verification or all these things. Okay, so if I go to this option for the users, you will find out the more extra features like the domain verification that I have showed you already. Then this is the connect domain. For the connecting your domains with the DKIF or the SRF, means adding some text files in your domain so you can instantly verify. Then this is the integration section where you can get some integration parts, like alright, they have the only 3 integrations available right now, like the Facebook, Twitter, and the Google. I don't know why only they have the 3 options available. I think in future we can get more integration. As for the user feedbacks, what users want, they will add as the integration. Okay, so as for now, these are all the features, and I think I gave you all the introductory overview of the features and what are the things you can get here. So the pricing is pretty much really affordable. In the $29, you can send out the 12,000 emails and you can get all these features access. This is the pretty good pricing plan here. And there's the no branding, you can see logo removal. Okay, so this is the good here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about here. So make sure you check out this deal. The link will be given in the description. And if you want to check out more AI tools and the SaaS updates and the comparison, I suggest go watch my YouTube channel here. I regularly update and publish new videos on my channel based on these AI tools, SaaS platforms. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.